Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find a caregiver on care.com. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your care.com app, or simply open up your browser and on the search bar type in care.com. Now once the page loads, what you need to do is simply log in with your credentials. Now once logged in, scroll down and then select your option. Let me just select childcare, and then here what you need to do is simply tap on find care. Now what you need to do is type in the zip code. Then once that's done, select the type of care needed, then location, hours and schedule, required experience and qualifications, and then pay rate. Your job post will be visible to caregivers who can then apply. Then third is search for caregivers directly. Find the caregivers option in the menu. Use filters to narrow down your search like location, experience and skills, availability and pay range. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.